Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we're proud to present this 2023 Defender finished in Pangea Green and coming with a full service history and 12 months warranty. It rides on 20-inch satin dark grey alloys completed with black roof rails and side steps. Open up the rear and you're met with a generous, versatile load space, perfectly suited to adventure, family life or everything in between. Step inside and the Tan and Ebony Windsor leather interior immediately impresses. Both front and rear passengers can enjoy impressive space and comfort with plenty of legroom. This Defender delivers a refined and purposeful feel, exactly what you'd expect from a vehicle of this calibre. The front is incredibly driver focused, with the steering wheel putting voice control, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering at your fingertips. Technology is a huge focus, with a 3D surround camera and ClearSight mirror for added confidence. Climate control alongside heated and cooled front seats ensure comfort whatever the weather. Above, a sliding panoramic sunroof brings in natural light and fresh air on those warmer days. With a 3-litre MHEV engine, 296 brake horsepower, and achieving 0 to 60 in 7 seconds, this Defender is built to impress. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.